Ever wonder how jewelry's made? Well, let's take a look behind the curtain and see. Right now we're watching a jeweler put the finishing touches on some pearl earrings. They've already been drilled, so all she has to do is get the posts in. Now the real trick here is to apply the glue just right. You have to get it at a specific consistency, so you're going to need to mix it a little and get just a small amount on the edge of what you're applying it with. In this case, we're using a toothpick. You only want to lightly coat the inside of the pearl so that the glue has a strong hold but isn't visible at all on the outside. Now once the pearl's all ready, you want to put just a tiny dab of glue on the top of the stud just to make sure it's going to stick before placing it in. Now all our jeweler has to do is secure the post in the hole snugly there, and then set the earring down to dry, and voila! You've got a pearl stud earring. Then she's just going to need to repeat the same process for the second one. Get the glue ready, apply lightly to the inside, dab the stud, and set. Now you've got a lovely matching pair of earrings that'll be ready to wear as soon as your glue dries.